This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Lessa Miller. Dreaming of owning a piece of countryside paradise? Welcome home! With beauty and investment value combined, this 3,600 plus square feet solar-powered home is located on 6.78 acres with beautiful views of rolling southern Indiana hills. Keep reading because you will be amazed at all this home has to offer. Whether you enjoy a sunset on the new patio or a cookout with family on the brand new deck, this home will meet all of your needs. In 2020, an addition was added to include an expansive owner's suite and 2 additional home office spaces below, 12 by 11 and 14 by 10. Lots of natural light flows into one of the corner offices and is set up to meet all of your work from home needs. Smithville Fiber is available. Lower level of the home includes an extra-large laundry/mud room right off the garage, with new washer/dryer, a bedroom, full bath and spacious living room with a newer wood-burning stove. The main level offers a spacious open floor plan with complete kitchen and all stainless steel appliances, a large kitchen island dining area, family room, full bath, 2 bedrooms and the exceptional owner's suite. This suite includes a full bath with an amazing tub to soak, walk-in shower and expansive walk-in closet. All this on one level with grand views of the countryside. The remodel/addition completed in 2020 made this home like new. This included a completely new exterior with new siding, soffit, fascia, gutters, windows, and doors. On the inside, the majority of the home was down to the studs and new insulation and drywall was installed. New flooring, tile and luxury vinyl planking installed throughout the entire home. Plumbing, lighting, and electrical updated throughout the home. A professionally installed perimeter drain, retaining wall and gutter drain further enhance your investment. The heat pump HVAC unit was installed in 2012 and a new roof was installed in May 2017. New water heater installed 2021. This property is not part of a platted subdivision, so there are no covenants and restrictions or HOAs. Solar panels allow for net metering with Duke, and current homeowners' experience has been that they have paid no more than $11.44 per month to connect to the grid. The property includes a 2,640 square feet full barn with 4-horse stables and electricity. The barn is located on the back of the property alongside a 1+ acre fenced-in area. Note: MLS Room dimensions section does not allow for extra office.